Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic issue log. Friend, we will see this topic with respect to project management and PMBOK, project management body of knowledge. Friend, with respect to project management, this is a very important topic, issue log. Friend, if you are studying project management in university or planning to give exam of PMP, so friend, let me tell you that this is a very important topic and you will definitely see this topic in the exam. Either it's a university exam or either it's a PMP exam. Secondly, friend, if you are a professional project manager, so again, as a practical life of project management and handling or management of projects, so issue log is a very important topic, a very important tool, and you must have to use it, and you must know that what is the usability and how to use the issue log. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Issue log. Friend, first of all, we have to understand that what is an issue. What is why when we call something as a issue. Friend, issue is basically, you can say, a derivative from the risk. First of all, we have to understand the risk and then we can understand the issue. Friend, when we talk about risk is something which is called as uncertain condition. The uncertainty of a project, that is called as issue, that is called as risk. So if risk occur, so it will become an issue. If risk occur positively, it will become an opportunity. So friend, when we talk about risk is the uncertain condition in a project which has positive or negative impact on the project. If it negatively impact the project, it will become an issue. If it positively impact the project, it will become an opportunity. Let's see, for example, if we talk about just take a simple example. Friend, you are working in any marketing organization and you are launching a marketing theme and marketing campaign for very big brand of a company, okay, and you have used some new idea, or you can say you have used a new model, a new face in the marketing campaign, okay, just assume that, and you have a risk in your mind that people, either whether people like that new face or not. If people like that face or model in the campaign, it will become an opportunity and you will get more marketing, more views, more acceptance from the viewership. If people don't like that new face because it's a new face, so maybe the model people don't like and your marketing campaign would totally become lost. Okay, so friend, if it's become lost, it will become an issue for you, it will become a failure, it will become an issue. So now what you will do, see friend, here what is the risk here? Risk is that you are using a new face of model in the marketing campaign, okay, in the advertisements, let's assume. So what is the risk here? What is the uncertain condition here? You are not sure whether the people will like that new face or not. So this is a risk, okay. Uncertain condition. What is the risk here? What is the uncertainty here? People like that new face or not. So this is the uncertain condition, that is called as risk. What is the positive scenario here? Positive scenario here is that people like, after once you launch the marketing campaign, maybe people like that new face and it will become an acceptance for your product, for your marketing campaign. If people accept, if people like that new face, it will become a huge success for you. So it will become an opportunity for you. Why? Because your marketing campaign get successful. The other scenario, or the other negative scenario here, is that maybe people don't like that new face and that new model and it will become a total failure for you. If people don't like your new face of model, so what you will do, it will become an issue, because your marketing campaign will have a very high risk at that moment. So it will become an issue here. So friend, whenever we talk about issue is basically the derivative from the risk. Risk is an uncertain condition of a project. If risk occur positively, it will become an opportunity for you. If the risk occur negatively, it will become an issue for you. Now friend, issues are problems, gaps, inconsistencies, conflicts, or unexpected expectation during the life cycle of a project. So friend, that is called as issue. Now we can understand the definition of issue. Now coming towards our main topic, issue log. Friend, issue log means just simply imagine that you are implementing an e-commerce solution. So just what you can do, just make an Excel sheet, and in which you can mention whatever the issues which you are facing. For example, resource availability is an issue, like the dates at which you have to complete your main resource. For example, software development resource is not available for 4 to 5 days, for example. So this is an issue. Your the development or the QA speed, quality assurance, is very slow. Okay, the production deployments have issues, for example. So I'm just giving an example here. The resource for UAT assistance is not available, for example. I'm just giving you a simple example here. So friend, all these issues you can just open the Microsoft Excel sheet and just write it down, all these issues in the Excel, and just see what are the possible solutions of that. Just assign these issues to someone, any resource who will be responsible to resolve these issues, and you can assign some target dates as well at which these issues will be resolved. So friend, when we talk about issue log, just remember, just imagine issue log as a Microsoft Excel sheet, in which you can Excel sheet or Microsoft Word, whatever you are useful for that. So it is just a sheet in which you are writing down all the issues of the project, the possible solutions assigned to that person who is responsible to resolve all these issues, and the target resolution date. So this is called, just simply, if you can see, these are the very simple example of issue log here. So friend, issue log is sometimes also known as issue register as well, is a project document where all issues that are negatively affecting the project are recorded and tracked. When an issue log is created, it provides a tool for reporting and communicating all that is happening within the project. See friend, here why it is needed to produce the issue log. See, for example, you write it down 10 issues in the project at the start of a project. After 1 week you reviewed the issue log, like one issue was resolved. Now at the earliest stage 10 issues were there, now only 9 issues are remaining, one issue has been resolved. Okay, so friend, basically issue log is a very important tool for communication, reporting. For example, your senior management, the program manager or CEO company talks to you, and he asked that provides me the issue log, whatever the issue, what are the issues which are remaining, I need the summary report. So you can mention it in the summarized form, like for example 10 issues were there, one issue is resolved and 9 issues are remaining, and for 9 issues these are the target dates at which we have to resolve the issues. So friend, why it is very important, as a project manager you should have issue log, and all the issues should have to be on your fingertips. You should know that what are the issues, when we are resolving that issues, when we can resolve that issues. So friend, issue logs are very important. As a project manager you should know about it very clearly, and it should be on your fingertips. Now friend, issue log example, you can just take, you can make this issue log in Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, whatever is useful for you, whatever you are suitable for you. For example, issue name, what is the issue name? Issue type, for example, it pertains to software, hardware, human resource, whatever it is. Raised by who is the person who has raised that issue, for example from customer side, from internal side. Date raised, at which date the issue was raised. Description, what is the issue actually? For example, you don't have the software development resource available from 5th July to 10th July, and at that date these the task activities are on the critical path, and if the resource will not available, the project will be delayed. For example, this is an issue. The production deployment resources will not be available, may not be available after 2 weeks, and you have to do the deployment after 2 weeks. So what you will do in that scenario? So I'm just giving you an example. Priority means like low, medium, high. Like for example, you can say the two resources are going on leaves in the next week, but the priority is low. Why? Because they have almost completed the task, and most probably they will complete their task before their leaves, and it's expected there will be no impact or due to their leaves. Assign to means, friend, the person who is responsible to resolve the issue, and the target resolution date. For example, you are expecting that you are expecting the target resolution date at which you are expecting that issue will be resolved. Status means like currently this issue is open, closed, in progress, etc. So you have to mention the status here. Final solutions, full solution. For example, two resources are going, for example, the issue is that the one resource is going on leave from 5 days, and the solution is that you can you can involve another resource for 5 days, who will work for 5 days for the alternative of that particular resource, and your work will not suffer. So friend, these are the solutions, these are the video related to issue log. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time. Remember one thing, friend, as a project manager you should have to be very useful about issue log. You must have to use the issue log. Why? Because it's a very important tool of communication and the reporting. Also, as a project manager, when you write down the something on the Excel or on the Microsoft Word, so it will increase your knowledge as well, it will increase your awareness about the complexity of projects as well. So this is very important, that as a project manager you should make the issue log. So friend, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. Thank you.